Hey guys, how's it going? This is Andrew from Advanced PCs. Welcome to another exciting video session. Okay, so this video session, I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys how to figure out what version of Windows are you running. Do you know? Believe it or not, we kind of take these things for granted, and by we I mean like us techies. We take for granted that the fact that we've been doing what we do for so long, that it's second nature to know what version of Windows we're running by just looking at the interface. So I'll know this is a Windows 10 based on the interface, based on the taskbar, the search option right here, and all that good stuff. So I could tell it different from a Windows 7, from a Windows XP, Windows 8, et cetera, et cetera. But I get asked the question all the time, like from my clients, like, how did you know that? So from my experience, I just know by just looking. But if you're not as experienced, you just know that you're running a version of Windows. And I ask, what version of Windows are you running? The way to find out if you're running, this is a Windows 10, but the way I'll know for sure is I'll just go into search right here, and I'll type in, for instance, system. System, which is under control panels. Now Windows 10 tends to change things up a little bit, and I'm somewhat old school. So when you type in the system, Windows 10, oh, okay, cool. So Windows 10, because sometimes it'll have the feature of like, let's say if you try to go to, if I could find the settings, Windows 10 kind of wants you to work in this platform. And sometimes it's not as useful for me. This is for like the plug and play user interface, and I don't really like this. I'm somewhat old school. But yeah, so if you're running Windows 10, right, just go into search right here and just type in system, and it'll show you what version of Windows you're running. So in this case, I'm running Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro. It tells you all the other useful information. So okay, that's one great way of figuring out what version of Windows you're running. Also, while I'm at it, let me show you a really quick tip. Some folks complain about Windows 10. Hey, where is the control panel? I can't find the control panels. What do they do with the control panels? So if you're accustomed to going to the control panels, and try to solve things there, at one point Windows 10 allowed for you to right click on the start button, and you'll be able to see control panel in the list. But control panel, after they did a couple of upgrades, control panels is no longer here for whatever reason. So pretty much just do a search. Just do a search for, you guessed it, control panels. All right, and that'll bring you to control panel. Back to the and I use this more than I use the setup. Like I said, Windows 10, they kind of want you to stick with this platform to do things like systems, devices, accounts, stuff like that. So if you want to find out what version of Windows you're running, if you're running Windows 10, you just do a search here, right? And just type in system like I showed you before. If you're running Windows 7, if your interface looks different from this, just click the start button, and just go to the computer. You see computer in the list here, in your start menu. Right click on it, go to properties. Obviously I can't demonstrate it here because I'm running Windows 10, but if you have questions about it, just shoot me an email. Shoot me an email at support@advancedpcs.com. Yeah, so if you wanted to go to control panels, you do the same thing, just do a search in Windows 10. For Windows 7, it's already there. Just click on start and you'll see the control panels. All right, so that's my time for today. If you guys have any questions, like I said, shoot me an email at support@advancedpcs.com. And again, this is Andrew from Advanced PCs and Advanced PCs. Oh, of course, anyone that that could use this video, find the value in this video, please, share, like, and yeah, get in touch with us if you have any questions. All right, guys, take care until next time. This is Andrew from Advanced PCs. Bye, guys.